Next in Scratch, we are going to design this. So here we have taken two sprites, apple sprite and a bowl sprite, and we have to collect this apple in this bowl. Number of times we are able to collect this apple in this bowl. We have taken a variable whose name is my variable, and its value will increase by 1. So to do this, here we have to take two sprites. One is apple sprite and another is bowl sprite. So here we have taken apple and another sprite we have taken is bowl. So first of all, we'll do coding for this bowl sprite. So whenever green flag is clicked, what we have to do, we have to fix the position of our bowl. So we'll go to motion, and in motion go to X, and here we are going to change the values of X axis and Y axis. Here I'm keeping X as 0 and Y as minus 140. So whenever we click on this, we will see that the value of bowl will change, because right now it is not at x0 and y minus 140. So now it has taken its position, x as 0 and y as minus 140. Now we go to control, and in control we'll go for forever. Now we want to move this bowl left and right. So for that we'll go for if then, and here we are going to put whenever right key is pressed, then apple should change at x-axis by 10, and whenever left arrow key is pressed, then apple should change x-axis by minus 10. So we'll go to sensing, and here in sensing we'll go to this keys space pressed, and here we can change our key. We want to keep left arrow key and right arrow key. So here I'm taking right arrow key. What we want that whenever we press right arrow key, then the value of x should change by 10. So again we'll go to motion, and here we are provided with change x by 10. We can change this number as well, but we don't want to change it. Second, we want that whenever we press left arrow key, then it should change x by minus 10. So again we'll go to sensing. Before that we have to put if. So we'll go to control, and again we have to put this if block, and in this hexagon we'll put this key space pressed, and instead of space we are going to put left arrow. So whenever left arrow key is pressed, then we have to change x by minus 10. So here we can change x from plus 10 to minus 10. So this coding is enough to move this bowl. So whenever we press this and we'll press left arrow and right arrow, we can see that it is going to move our bowl to left and right. It is moving right and it is moving left. So we have done our part of coding for this bowl. Now we'll go for apple. So here we have to select apple. Again we have to go to events. Whenever green flag is clicked, now first of all we have to take a variable. So here in variable section we'll have to check this my variable right. This way we'll get a variable here, and initially we are setting the value of this variable to 0. So set my variable to 0. Then we'll go to forever. Then we will go to motion, and in motion we'll go to X. We are going to place this block here. Now we want to fall this apple from certain height. So we are fixing the value of y axis, and here I'm saying the value of y is 180. 180. So it is going to fix the value of y. So apple will continue to fall from this height, but we can change the value of x axis, or we can say x coordinate. It shouldn't be same. Like it can fall from here, it can fall from here, it can fall from here, anywhere. Value of y we have fixed, and value of x can change. So we'll go to operators, and in operators we'll go for pick random. So here in x placeholder we are going to put this, and here I'm saying that on x axis it can go from minus 120 to plus 120. That means x coordinates can continue to change from minus 120 to plus 20, but y coordinate will remain same, that is 180. Then we'll go to control, and in control we'll go for repeat until, and here we are going to put, we have to touch this ball. So for that we'll select this touching mouse pointer, and instead of mouse pointer we'll say bowl. Now when this apple will fall, its y coordinate will change. So here we have to say change y by, we can put any number. So we'll go to motion, and here we are provided with change y by 10. So here instead of 10 I'm saying it is coming down, it is going down. So here I'm saying minus 5. So now we can see that how much our program is running. Here we are able to move our bowl, and apple is also falling into this bowl, but variable value is not increasing. So for that what we have to do, we'll go to this variable, and here we are provided with change my variable by 1. So we are going to put this outside this forever, outside this repeat until block. So now whenever we'll click on this green flag, and we are going to move this bowl with the help of left and right arrow key, and as many times this apple is falling into this bowl, we can see here that our variable value is continuously increasing. So now it is 11, now it will be 12, and so on.